Testing natin yung NBA 2K22 sa mini PC natin, guys. Yan yung Ryzen 5 natin na 3400 G8GB RAM, 256 SSD na mini PC. Check natin. Ang settings natin dito sa graphic settings ay ayan, overall quality high, naka overall quality tayo high. So hindi tayo nagbabago ng settings diyan. I-as is na lang natin 'yan. Testingin natin. Paglabanin natin yung dalawang team. Testing natin. Gumamit tayo ng third party software pan-check ng FPS, Fraps. Yan, para sa FPS yan. Testing natin. Pakaliit lang yan.
David, I am and I love Genesis' attitude. Wow, that's terrific. DA, thank you. Checking out Minnesota's opening lineup. The forwards are Edwards and McDaniel.
Yan guys, no?
Russell in the back.
Maabot tayo ng 50, 45, ayan, 60, yan. 48, 58, 59, ayan.
At the guard position,
FPS natin. Not bad na yan para sa isang mini PC, guys. Hindi na masama. Yan yung graphics niya. Tayo naman.
And Giannis, the forward. And it's Lopez.
So kung gusto mag-order, guys, PM nyo lang ako, guys, dito sa FB page namin, Trey Gadgets, PC Parts, and Services.
Russell trying to free himself up and turns the bucket on the assist from Edwards.